Hello friends, this is Albert Pinto and you're watching Albert Pinto's multi-channel. Welcome to Bamanbudo Waterfall. I took the top view first. There you see the waterfall from far off. This is the road. Well, this is a parking space, very little though, as the road is narrow. People are busy clicking pics. This is the waterfall from the road. I clicked this video. You can see the height from here. This is on the other side, the water that passes through. This is from the other angle. I zoomed a little bit. And this is the way to go down. You can see people busy cooking. See the crystal clear water gushing down. Dream drive during the monsoons along the forestry village, all along the paddy fields and hills on both sides having a narrow road, a best evergreen look. That's another view. That's the place where you can take a bath or be in the waters. And there you are, you can see the small fish doing the pedicure. And now I give you the sound of the water gushing down. You can hear the sound. Thank you for watching this video. Until I try to cover another waterfall next time. Thank you for watching once again. Take care and bye-bye.